Hello, welcome to the 43rd session of the first BSc Physics paper of BSc course from Kwempu University. In this session, and I am Muhammad Ajmal from Department of Physics. In this session, I am talking on the motion of cylinder rolling down an inclined plane in rotational motion. So for this, we need some of the basic definitions which were discussed in the previous classes, like moment of inertia of solid sphere, about the diameter of the sphere and tangent of the sphere. And some of the basic definitions that were used earlier were moment of inertia. It is defined as the product of mass of the body and square of the distance from the axis of rotation. Now, to derive the expression for moment of inertia of a cylinder rolling down an inclined plane, as shown in this slide, we have a diagram on which a cylinder is rolling down on an inclined plane. Let a body of cylinder of mass m rolling freely down an inclined plane to the horizontal at an angle theta. So here there are two types of velocity are involved. One is linear velocity and another one is angular velocity. Let v is the linear velocity acquired by the body on covering a distance s. Now the vertical distance of descent s sin theta and potential energy of the body equals mg into sin theta, and kinetic energy of rotation of the body is half I omega square. Then the total energy, which is the sum of the total kinetic energy, is the sum of two energies, half I omega square and half I v square, where I equals mk square and omega equals v divided by r. Then the total energy becomes half mv square into k square divided by r square plus 1. Now equating this gain of kinetic energy against the loss of potential energy, we get v square equals 2 into r square over k square plus r square into g sin theta s. Comparing with kinematic relation v square equals to as, we will get a equals r square over k square plus r square into g sin theta. Now for cylinder, the moment of inertia of cylinder about its axis of symmetry about which it rolls is half mr square equals mk square, and k square over r square become equal to half. Hence a equals g sin theta divided by 1 plus k square divided by r square, and a equals 2 divided by 3 g sin theta. Now according to the parallel axis theorem, mr square we were 4l into dx plus m by l into x square into dx. Integrating for the entire surface, then we will get 2m over l integral of 0 to half r square over 4 into dx into 0 to l over 2 into x square into dx. Then I equals m into r square over 4 plus l square divided by 12. And the moment of inertia about its own axis of symmetry is I equals mr square divided by 2. Now using the equations I equals m over r square plus 4 plus l square divided by 12 and I equals mr square over 2, the moment of inertia of the rolling cylinder can be determined. We will continue our discussion in the next session. Thank you.